Welcome! In front of me I have Haylou Smart Watch 2, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the system settings on the watch. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%. Because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, so now let's continue with the reset. First thing you'll need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch or turn it on. To turn on the watch, simply press and hold the side button until you see the Haylou logo on the screen. And to wake up the screen on your watch, simply press the side button. After you turn on the watch or wake up the screen on it, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Here, tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, find the option called reset and tap on it. And right here, tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. Now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the QR code on the screen, this means that the resetting process is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.